Welcome back to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Today, we are going to share with you 5 proven passive income streams that even a 78-year-old can start to build wealth without lifting a finger. Even though it takes a little bit of money to get started, the amount is way less than what most people think. And in all of these 5 cases, you don't have to do any work because there are people who are already doing the job for you. So make sure you watch until the end of this video to find out how to increase your passive income and multiply your wealth. Passive income has become one of the hottest topics in personal finance lately, which is no surprise considering that everyone wants financial freedom. The idea of earning money while you sleep is extremely appealing, but many people find it hard to believe that passive income even exists. They see all these gurus online talking about it, but they don't really understand how it works or how much money you actually need to make it happen. Well, let me tell you something. Passive income is not a myth. It is real, and it is possible. In fact, most millionaires built their fortunes through passive income. And today, we're going to show you exactly how they did it. But before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and look at the big picture. What is passive income, and why should you care? Passive income is simply money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. This could be in the form of dividends from stocks, rental income from properties, interest payments on bonds, or royalties from intellectual property like books or music. The great thing about passive income is that it can provide a steady stream of revenue even when you're not working, which is why it's so popular among millionaires. By creating multiple passive income streams, you can build up a portfolio of assets that generate enough cash flow to support your lifestyle and even grow your wealth over time. But the key to success here is diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you want to spread your investments across different asset classes and industries so that if something goes wrong, you still have other sources of income coming in. For example, if you put all your money into rental properties, but then the housing market crashes, you could lose everything. But if you also have some stocks and bonds that pay dividends, you would still have some cash flow coming in during tough times. So when it comes to building passive income, it's important to think long-term and diversify your investments. That way, you can enjoy the benefits of earning money while you sleep without having to worry about what might happen tomorrow. Now, let's talk about the 5 proven passive income streams that can help you become a millionaire without lifting a finger. No. 1. Real estate investing. When it comes to generating passive income, real estate investing is hard to beat. As a matter of fact, real estate is considered to be the best way to build wealth over the long run. There are many ways to invest in real estate, such as buying rental properties, investing in REITs, or mortgage investing. Let's focus on rental properties, since they are the most common and effective method. To get started, you need to buy a property that you can rent out to tenants. This could be anything from an apartment building to a single-family home. Once you have the property, you need to find tenants to rent it from you. You can do this by working with a property manager or by doing it yourself. Once you have tenants in place, you will start receiving rental income every month. This income can then be used to pay for expenses such as mortgage payments, taxes, and insurance. Any remaining income after expenses is your profit. The great thing about real estate investing is that it can provide a steady stream of passive income. Plus, it also has the potential for appreciation. Over time, the value of your property may increase, which means that you could sell it for a profit or keep it as a long-term investment. However, there are also some risks involved in real estate investing. For example, properties can sometimes require unexpected repairs or renovations that eat into your profits. Tenants can also be difficult to manage, leading to late payments or property damage. Nonetheless, if done correctly, real estate investing can be one of the most profitable passive income streams available. Number 2, dividend stocks. Another great way to generate passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can earn a portion of the company's profits without having to lift a finger. To get started, simply purchase shares of a dividend-paying company. These are typically established companies with a history of profitability that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders. Once you own the shares, you will receive periodic dividend payments based on the number of shares you own and the company's dividend policy. One of the best things about dividend investing is that it can provide a steady stream of passive income. Unlike some other forms of investing, dividend payments are usually predictable and reliable, making them a great option for those looking for a consistent cash flow. Additionally, investing in dividends can also provide long-term growth opportunities. Many companies increase their dividends over time as they grow and become more profitable. This means that your passive income can increase as well, providing you with a nice boost to your retirement or other financial goals. Of course, there are also some risks involved in dividend investing. Companies can sometimes cut or suspend their dividends due to poor performance or economic downturns. However, by investing in a diverse range of companies and focusing on those with a history of sustainable dividend payments, you can minimize these risks and still enjoy the benefits of passive income. Number 3, peer-to-peer lending. If you do not want to invest in stocks or real estate, but still want to take advantage of passive income, peer-to-peer lending may be the perfect option for you. With peer-to-peer lending, you can lend money directly to individuals or businesses in need without having to go through a bank or other financial institution. To get started, simply sign up for a peer-to-peer lending platform and create an account. From there, you can browse loan requests from borrowers and decide which ones you want to fund. You can choose to lend small amounts of money to multiple borrowers or large amounts to a single borrower. Once you've funded a loan, you'll receive interest payments from the borrower over time. One of the best things about peer-to-peer lending is that it typically offers higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds. Since you're lending money directly to borrowers, you can often earn interest rates of 5% or more on your investment. Additionally, peer-to-peer lending is relatively easy to get into and can be done from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or computer. Of course, as with any form of investing, there are also risks involved in peer-to-peer lending. Borrowers may default on their loans, meaning you may not receive the full amount you lent. However, by diversifying your loans and only lending to borrowers with strong credit histories, you can minimize these risks and still earn a healthy return on your investment. Number 4, high-yield savings accounts. Another way to generate passive income is by opening a high-yield savings account. With a high-yield savings account, you can earn interest on your deposits without having to do anything. To get started, simply open an account with an online bank that offers competitive interest rates. Once you've opened the account, you can deposit your money and let it grow over time. One of the best things about high-yield savings accounts is that they offer a safe way to earn interest on your money. Unlike riskier investments like stocks or cryptocurrencies, your money is FDIC insured, meaning that it is protected up to $250,000 in the event of a bank failure. Additionally, high-yield savings accounts typically offer better interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks, allowing you to earn more on your deposits. Of course, the interest rates on high-yield savings accounts are still relatively low compared to riskier investments. However, they can be a great option for those who want to earn some passive income without taking on a lot of risk. By taking advantage of compound interest, you can watch your savings grow steadily over time. Number 5, automated stock trading. Finally, automated stock trading is another great way to generate passive income. With automated stock trading, you can create a system that buys and sells stocks on your behalf based on certain criteria that you set. To get started, you need to choose a stock trading platform that supports automation. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to create an account and deposit funds. Then you can use the platform's tools to create your automated trading system. One of the best things about automated stock trading is that it can save you a lot of time and effort. Once you've created your system, it will run automatically, meaning you won't have to spend hours each day monitoring the markets and making trades. Additionally, automated stock trading can help you make more informed decisions by taking emotions out of the equation. By setting clear criteria for your trades, you can avoid making impulsive decisions that could end up costing you money. Plus, automated stock trading can also provide valuable data and analytics that can help you improve your trading over time. By tracking your trades and analyzing your results, you can identify areas for improvement and make adjustments as needed. Of course, like with any form of investing, there are also risks involved in automated stock trading. Market conditions can change quickly, and your trading system may not always perform as expected. However, by following a few simple tips and taking the time to learn the basics of trading, you can minimize these risks and potentially start earning passive income today. In conclusion, building passive income doesn't have to be complicated. By leveraging the power of the internet and technology, anyone can create multiple streams of income without having to work a traditional 9-to-5 job. Whether you prefer investing in real estate, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, high-yield savings accounts, or automated stock trading, there are plenty of options available to suit every interest and budget. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these 5 proven passive income streams today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Remember, the earlier you start, the sooner you'll get there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy passive income hunting.